Hi everyone! Today I'm going to do the light lesson with you. And this is the part 3. So, about multiple images. In these jewelry shops and in food cities and in salons and in like clothes shops, we can see multiple images. How is it formed? Actually, this is formed when two mirrors are when we keep two mirrors together, we can form multiple images. Also, when we keep multiple images, we can see the specific object like more objects. A single one, it has multiple. So next one is the number of images are increased when the angle between the two plane mirrors decreases. So that means like this. Compare your observation with those in the table below. So this is the observation. Now here you can see two mirrors. There are two mirrors actually, and in front of that there is a lighted candle. So this lighted candle, when it reflects towards these two mirrors, we can see more and more candles. So angle between the two plane mirrors, we measure it from degrees. If it is 90, the number of images formed is 3. And if the angle between the two plane mirrors are 60 degrees, the number of images formed is 5. And if the angle between two plane mirrors is 45, the number of image formed is 7. And if the angle between two plane mirror is 30 degree, the number of images formed is 11. So it goes to the angle. So instances where we use plane mirrors. As mirrors in resin rooms. Yeah, in resin rooms we use plane mirrors to see ourselves. To illuminate various objects in cinematography. Cinematography, I will define that word later. And to direct light onto the slide of microscopes. To construct kaleidoscope and to construct periscope. So let's define the words. Cinematography compares all on-screen visual elements, including lighting, framing, composition, camera motion, camera angles, film selection, lens choices, depth of field, zoom, focus, color, exposure, and filtration. So this is the picture of the cinematography. So we use these kind of things to when we train to a movie kind of thing like that. Next word is microscopes. I hope that you all know about microscopes, but let's just define that word. A microscope is an instrument that can be used to observe small images, even cells which cannot see to our naked eyes, like microorganisms. In another video, let's talk about what are microorganisms. This is a picture of a microscope. Now, about kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is an optical toy consisting two mirrors at a particular angle. Some common uses of kaleidoscope are: kaleidoscope produces beautiful patterns that are used by fashion designers. A kaleidoscope is used as a toy for entertainment. This is a picture of kaleidoscope. I love kaleidoscope because we can form multiple and beautiful patterns. It has a beautiful view. You also can do it at home. Next is periscope. We use periscopes in submarines. If you want to spy on someone, you also can use a periscope to spy. That means we use periscopes in submarines and also in spy games. Here is a picture of a periscope in a submarine, and here is a periscope when we are doing spy games. So, extra knowledge. It's time for your extra knowledge. What are the other words for periscope? Sight, telescope sight, radar, sonar, viewfinder, bomb sight, gun sight, homing device, look-see, and finder. So, these are some words for the periscope. Now, about curved mirrors. Actually, let's see what are the images formed by curved mirrors. This is really, really simple. There are two main parts of curved mirrors. First one is concave mirrors and second one is convex mirrors. Convex is the outer side of a mirror. I mean, in a spoon, we can take a spoon as an example. So the outer side of a spoon is the convex part and the inner side, the curved part, is the concave part. Here is the reflection from convex and concave surfaces. Outside the bowl, we can see our real image. And inside the curved part, the concave part, we can see it upside down. So the images are different from each and every mirror. While we are holding a spoon, when we turn it to the concave side or the inner part, we can see our image upside down. And when we turn it to the convex side or the outer part, we can see our image correctly. You also can do it by taking a shiny spoon. Instances where we use concave mirrors. Mirrors for shaving, for dentists to examine teeth of patients, reflecting telescopes, and to construct solar cookers. Now, you have seen when your most of the times males are shaving, so when they shave, they use concave mirrors. And also, you can see when you go to the dental, the dentist is using a spoon kind of thing. So that's not a spoon, that's a concave mirror. So in reflective telescopes and solar cookers. Solar cooker is a curved thing. It has a concave mirror. When you keep something to boil, let's take water to boil, we can keep the boiling pot with the water on the solar cooker. After that, it will automatically boil. No electricity, nothing. It's free of charge from the solar energy. So, this picture, this has a concave mirror. When you these mirrors, when you for makeup mirrors, these are called actually makeup mirrors. So girls use these kinds of tints to make up themselves, and boys use these kind of tints to shave, and dentists use the spoon kind of thing, and that is a concave mirror. This is a reflecting telescope. So this has the eyepiece lens and the objective mirror. Later on, we will talk about the parts of this telescope. All right. So this is the picture of a solar cooker. Let's go to the next slide. Concave mirror. This is what a concave mirror does. That means when we look from a concave mirror, we can see the image bigger than the real image. Got it? Good. Then the convex mirror. When you travel on a road, you can see these kinds of mirrors standing on the road. These kind of mirrors help to the drivers. And in some vehicles, you can see the side mirror has a small convex mirror to see the image, the vehicles that come from behind clearly. So uses for convex mirrors. Actually, when we talk about convex mirrors, because convex mirrors allow you to see more than plain mirrors, they are often used for security in stores as well as in review mirrors in cars. Review mirrors and for the security in stores. So convex mirrors show a wide range of view with their smaller virtual image. So they are used in security mirrors, side view mirrors, and also objects in mirror are closer than they appear. So that's a little explanation. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear in convex mirrors. Okay? So these are some examples of the convex mirrors. Now you know we use convex mirrors as the security in stores and also the rear view of cars or the side view of cars. Now you know about the light and mirrors. Our light lesson is over now. We did part 1, part 2 and part 3. And in part 2, we did a small practical thing. If you didn't watch, you can watch from the link given in the down description box. And also, hope you all have learned something from these sessions. So, thanks for watching and bye-bye. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.